We all know on all the videos that everyone says, oh, follow me here and look at all these links and go to this thing. Here's one thing to keep in mind. Have one link where it links to everything else. Now this is super easy to find, but the one that a lot of people use is Linktree. There's obviously a bunch of other ones, but Linktree is something that's really useful and it's very easy to set up too. Now I'm not sponsored by this, at least maybe not yet in the making of this video, but I use Linktree and I use the free version and I still get a lot out of it. So Linktree is really cool because what you can do is, if you go to even my bio for any of my social media, you'll see my link, so it'll just be Linktree / whatever my username is. So when you first sign up, you'll obviously get greeted by how you make it all happen and how you put your own links in. But it's super simple and easy. All you have to do is literally go to whatever social media you have. Ideally, if you're doing this on a computer, it's a little bit easier, I find. You can probably do this on your phone as well or any other device. So you go to whatever webpage you want to put. So let's say I want to go to my YouTube channel and I want people to go check out my channel. Then I would go to another tab, open my YouTube channel link. So whatever it is, so like youtube.com/KandidVision, and then I would copy and paste that into Linktree. And then what you would do, well, after that, I would recommend doing is put some text on it to show people this. So don't just leave it like the link there, because I don't think it even shows up easily. But if you put YouTube channel or check out my videos here, that's something that people will read and it'll just be easy for people to realize what it is. Another cool thing you can do is if you go to something that looks like a small picture on one of the icons underneath, then you'll be able to see underneath where you put your link, then you'll be able to put a thumbnail. And you could put any thumbnail. You can put a picture of your own, or what I recommend is putting an icon that's already in their system. And I find that that's better because it's more simple, but it's also more consistent. So it's not looking all messy and weird. It looks like it's a cohesive set, whatever, when you're putting a bunch of different links. So that's a very easy way to do it. And on the right side where it's showing you the preview of your Linktree, that's what you can look at to see how it looks and it does different things. Now how I've organized mine is I put them in sections. So I put titles and I put it so people see it in a hierarchical way. I organize it so people who want to book me for events and photo stuff is on the top, and I have it as book me here. And then I have stuff lower down, which is like check out my YouTube things, and the lower down is all my other social links so people can find it. One cool thing you can do as well is if you want, you can put them in the white bars. You can put them in bars so you can see them exactly how they are and they're very obvious. But there's also ones underneath that you can put just in case people see that and they don't want to go scroll all the way back up. There's icons you can put underneath too. You can also include certain things like forms so that people can fill out something right there on your Linktree and they can book you or they can contact you. And you can also even drag and drop a link to your YouTube video and I can see their YouTube video in Linktree itself. So there's a lot of cool things you can do. Before we continue on with the video, be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos and you can learn a lot of cool stuff that I'm making on how to get really good at photography, videography, graphic design, and a bunch of other things. Anyway, let's get back into the video. So another thing I highly recommend is don't leave everything default. Go in and obviously explore everything. It'll even tell you certain demographics once you have it on for long enough. Then you can see how many people clicked on it, if it's going well that month or not doing as well that month. And it's still all with a free version, don't forget. Another really cool thing that I'd recommend doing is make it so it's customized to you. So if you have like if you're a brand and you're making it so it goes well with your brand, have certain colors there. Or if you want to be simple and more cohesive, just have the plain background or the white background, like I do as of making this video. I'll put it somewhere on screen so you can see it. But it's just simple and easy and people can see it very cleanly. Again, there's other features that you can get if you pay for it. So like you can have customized backgrounds and a lot of other different things. But I find this to be the best option when you have everything in one place, and it's also free right now. So if you have any other ideas or want to know anything more, feel free to let me know in the comments down below about Linktree or anything else. And if you like this video and got some value out of it, feel free to follow me on TikTok or Instagram over here. It'll be somewhere over here. Contact me and let me know, and I'd love to talk to some of you. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below. And I really hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.